Hey, my cookies. Today we're making crispy baked potato wedges. Let's cook. Ideally, I opt for Yukon gold potatoes for this recipe, but all I had was russet. I wasn't going to the store. So you want to clean them really well, pat them dry, cut them in half lengthwise, and then into 4 wedges per side or half. Then I like to submerge them in cold water. I had a little ice in there, and let them sit in the water for 20 minutes. This will release a lot of that starch, so you'll have extra crispy wedges. I almost forgot what we were doing. After that 20, whoa, that hand came out of nowhere, dog. Drain them after 20 minutes and pat them dry with a paper towel, and then we can start seasoning. First, I like to pour in some olive oil, mix it all around to coat. Then we're gonna add in your favorite seasoning salt. You know, mine got a little Creole to it. And next, I just added in some onion and garlic powders. And lastly, some paprika to add some more color. Then just toss them really well to combine. Make sure they're all evenly coated. Next, we're gonna place them on a foiled lined baking sheet. Make sure you don't crowd the sheet too much. You want them to be able to have some air circulation in between each wedge so that we can have crispy wedges. If you put too many on there, they're just gonna steam and they won't crisp up, if that makes sense. Now we're gonna bake on 400 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Halfway in the cooking time, the baking time, take them out, flip each wedge over, okay? This is gonna make sure they all bake evenly. Place them back into the oven until they look like this. So crispy with just the right amount of softness in the middle. The recipe link is down there in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I gotta eat. Be blessed.